Okay, I believe we're on part 3 of 4 of our Nomade58 Adventure Jacket that I got off Kickstarter, and we're going to do a test seeing if I can put all the stuff in the pile in my coat. So I showed it in the other video, but we'll do a little turn around here for a second. Okay, so all this stuff here is what I'm trying to fit in there, and we're going to put it in together and see how it works, and if it feels absolutely heavy and crazy and hard to carry, if it's feasible to use this as a travel jacket. If you're on an airplane or something, you wouldn't have to have a personal item because everything you would need for your person is in your jacket, and you could pull it off and use it like to put over you if you get a little chilly too. All the options. We're going to try it on. Okay, here we go. This is our Nomad Adventure Jacket. You can watch the other video if you want all the details and all the features and all the pockets. And for now, we're going to work on this. Okay, so if I was going, and I'm going to go on a trip. Okay, what do I need? I'm going to have my phone. My phone is recording me, so I'm not going to have my phone right now. But I will use, oh, this is collecting sound, okay. I moved the mic down there. I'll put it back up here. I didn't want to like rustle it every time I moved. I hope this is working. Okay, so I'm going to use this instead of my phone. This is what I have, my mic stand thing. So I'm going to pretend this is my phone. I'm going to say, if I want to reach for my phone, I want it to be right here. In this chest pocket, easy grab, out of reach of anyone else. That's where I'm going to put it. Okay, if I want my wallet, I would want my wallet probably on the other side at the exact same spot. Right there, ready to go. I'll put my wallet in there. Okay, now I have a passport. Let's see, there's a zipper right here. That's a really big zipper. I don't think I want my passport in there. Saw another one that was like made for your passport. Is that it? Nope, that's not where I want it. Right here. Aha. Okay, there's lots of pockets. Okay, right here. Let's stick a passport in there. Choo-choo. And I could reverse that if I wanted my passport on the inside and my phone on the outside. Or actually, technically, I would probably actually want my phone down here in my hip pocket because that's where I would use it most. And this pocket actually has a drop in. So I could drop my phone in here. And then if I wanted to zip and get it out, then I could reach in there in the right pocket. There's like 6 on this corner. Then I can pull it out there. So I can put it in. And if I need to quick drop it in, it can go in there. And it comes out the other side. So you can 2 different ways to get it in. So we're going to say phone in there. And we're just going to do this together. As though I was packing and I was thinking I would want my passport, easy grab in there. Wallet's in this side. Okay, so I've got a power bank. If I need to charge that phone, my phone's in that one, so maybe we'll just drop the power bank in this one. Because it has the same thing, drop through pocket, ding, right there. Okay, so I've got my Kindle. So say I'm going to read while I'm on the airplane. Got my Kindle. I got a zipper right here. I like the idea of that being in a pocket that is zippered, so I'm going to put that one in there. There's like a little meshy pocket here. So let's say, actually I'm going to put this one, so this is my wireless keyboard. I'm going to put this one in the little meshy pocket back here. It's a little bit narrower than the front one. I'm going to pop that in back there. Then I have this front meshy pocket here. This is a travel foot hammock that you can use on an airplane. So I'm going to slide this big guy right in there. So I'm going to have that for when I get on the airplane. Feels a little bit fat. I probably wouldn't put as many fat things in it, but it is possible if you need to. Okay, there's a nice big zipper here. So this is my Remarkable. I love this thing. It's like a writing tablet, but it doesn't use any, it's a e-ink tablet, which I love. Okay, I'm going to take this. I'm going to slide that down in there. I did test this one the other day. And you can see that whole, watch, goes in there, and it even zips. So if you had like an iPad or something, that would also work. Here I've got my AirPods Max that I need to put in here. And there's a stretchy pocket here. This one's got a Velcro. I'm going to slide those right in there. Obviously, all this stuff is not going to live with me in my jacket while I'm walking around. It'll get me to the airport, and I'll use it in the airplane, then I'll take it and put it in my suitcase. I'm probably not going to go hiking with like all this stuff on me. So depending on what you're doing, you can kind of choose your way there. Okay. So here we've got snacks. See, we got a zipper right there. It's a small zipper. I don't think I want those in there. But I will put these in there. These are my throat drops that I use to help me when you get car sick or motion sick or just need a little something for my throat, which is super great. What's that pocket? That feels like a pretty deep one. Let's see. Ooh, that is a deep one. Maybe that's where the passport could go. That could be it too. But for now, I'm going to put my snacks in there. Snacks go down there. Okay, so say I'll need my snacks. I'm going to say I'm going to need my lotion. I probably want that somewhere handy. Do I have anything in that one? That's my zipper one. Let's see. That's my wallet. So many pockets. My goodness. Okay, so let's say this one. Let's put in my supplements in there. And I could put in my little toothbrush that I'm going to use after. Maybe my snacks. Maybe I put that in the snack corner. We'll see. So many things. So fat. Okay. That's for my hand. There's extra pockets in there. There's like so much stuff. Okay, so I'm going to say, like, yeah, you could crank it up and you could fill it with all this stuff. But now let's be realistic, because I still have some stuff over here that I'm like, yeah, I don't have that in there. Like, I could zip this. I really don't like the feeling of having those giant, like, my AirPods, like my big headphones in there, and my, what's it called? And my Remarkable, my tablet. I don't love having them in there because they're so big and they're so fat. I love the fact that I can put it in there for a minute if I need. Like when I take my kids to school, I throw my Remarkable in the pocket and I can take it with me and just take it, you know, till I get to the car, use it like a purse just for a minute. But I don't think I would like to walk around with this much bulkiness in here. Like it's totally possible if you needed to carry it all in your coat, but I'd kind of rather not all the way. So like there's so much. And I still have a bunch of stuff over here that I don't have in there yet. Okay, so this stuff is not in there yet. It could be. Should we just keep trying? Even though it's bulkier than I would like. But if I absolutely had to, I could go like this on the airplane just so I didn't have to have another bag. But let's keep playing with it and see how it goes. For now, I'm like, that's too bulky for me to want to wear. But possible if that's something that you need. I love the functionality of it. I love the possibilities. Okay, so say I have these headphones that are wired for an airplane. Let's stick those in there. I'll say, let's put my AirPods in this one, which I'll use more frequently. I've got my pen. And there's a pen holder down here. There's 4 of them down there. So that's there. Okay, let's say I've got my umbrella and I've got my little reuse bag that I could use for something later. Okay, what else we got going on down here? All the space. Okay. It feels too much. Like, yes, it'll fit all the things. I could keep shoving stuff in here. I guess we'll try it, even though I would not do this for myself. Like, I wouldn't wear it with all the stuff in it. But I love the fact that it has all the options if you need them. So we're going to keep playing with this. Okay. Massage ball. So we'll stick that in there with my AirPods. Fit right in the hole there. Okay, got that one's filled. Say I need my lotion. I wouldn't need both things of lotion, just one of them, but we're going to stick them both in there anyway, just to see capacity-wise what we're going to fit in this coat. Okay, we got our pillow, sleeping pillow, sleeping mask. Let's shove those down in there too while we're at it. Okay, we're going to say, do I have anything in there? Nothing's in there yet. Okay, so in here we're going to say I'm going to put my hand sanitizer. Put my essential oils in there. All these in there. And we've got our first aid kit, our soap things in a little baggie. Let's see, do I have anything in this side yet? I don't think I do. And then I'm amazed that I keep, oh, that had the lotion, but we'll stick it in there with them while we're trying to fit all the things. Okay, I'm feeling amazed because I got through half that stuff and I was like, there's no way this is all going to fit in there. And yet somehow there's still pockets and it still fits. And I feel like I am floating in a pile of really hard rocks right now because it's kind of fat. Okay, so here you go. We've got this coat. Like you could stuff that in there. Let's see if it's even zippable. Like I would think just be smart about it, right? Like don't take everything out of the kitchen sink. take what you need and just allow the pockets to support you. Okay, come on. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ugh. We are zipped up. Let's see if we can stretch this back so you can see a little better. Okay. We are zipped up. I am very bulky here. Feel almost like I'm pregnant again, but this time with bricks. That's crazy because I have so much heavy tech and stuff in there. Okay, and then this giant bag, this my water bottle. This is like a back pocket right here where you can slide your water bottle if you're hiking or whatever. Let's test that out. With all the rest in there, is that going to fit in there? Ooh. I think I have too much heavy stuff on the inside of that pocket. Okay. Possible if I had to. Not loving it. Okay, let's try this smaller water bottle. If I had this guy, I'm gonna put him in there. Voila. Okay, water bottle ready to go. You could do this. If you really, really, really wanted to take a giant stuffed jacket to the airport with all the everything you would ever want and need for like a long time, you could do it. I feel a little awkward, kind of a lot awkward and a little lumpy all over the place. So let's take it out. Let's play with it. Okay, I'm going to do another video. We're going to say, this is what's in it. I'm going to put the video maybe there if I figure out how to do that. And I will show you, I'm going to take out stuff. So let's do that. We'll minimize it. Okay, let's see how it goes.